Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 work truck. So this one is your four-wheel drive model, and it's also fitted with the 4.3 liter six-cylinder. However, if you want more power, you can get this work truck in a 5.3 V8. Taking a look, this is Summit White, as most of our work trucks are. Total price for this one comes to $36,395. This one has the work truck value package with remote keyless entry, easy lift tailgate, deep tinted glass, rear window defogger, cruise control, heated mirrors. So this one is a highly optioned work truck. Fitted to that 4.3 liter six-cylinder is a 6-speed automatic that gets the job done quite well. Making sure that's still on, we are good. So you can see, easy lower tailgate. Let's go ahead and take this thing for a drive because I'm freezing. I'm gonna go ahead and move the truck up so the interior's lit up a little bit more. Alright, interior is actually pretty nice. I wasn't expecting it to be nearly this nice. It is a bench seat, so you can just, of course, put it up like this. You want to drop it back down, pull that lever, and you're back to your center console-esque display. All nice, 12-volt power outlet. Drop your bed, your hazards, your AC, backup camera. Really nice. I do like this a lot. Lots of cubby compartments in here. Let's go ahead and take this thing for a drive. This six-cylinder does sound really good. I mean, I wasn't expecting to say that whatsoever, but it does sound very good. Also good to note about this work truck is it doesn't have carpeted floors. So if you're on the work site, your boots are muddy, and you're like, I don't want to vacuum the mats again. You don't have to. These are super easy to clean. My uncle had one of these trucks and he loved it having these non-carpeted floors just to make it easier to clean. Highway, nice and comfortable, rides really well. Brakes feel great. Sound system's also very good for given the fact that this is the base unit. Of course, on your higher trim 1500s, you can get Bose stereo systems, but this is just perfectly fine. I mean, for 36 grand, if you just need a truck, this is the truck for you. I mean, this is your work truck. That's what we designed it for. We meaning Chevy. I didn't play into making this truck. If I did, it'd have a Hellcat motor under the hood. That would be a work truck and a half. For 2020, you can get the Silverado 1500 and I believe 3 different motor options. Definitely 3 different cylinder variations. We have a 2.7 liter 4-cylinder that's turbocharged. We have this 4.3 V6 and we also have the 5.3 V8. Luckily enough, today I'll be driving one of each variant. Steering feel is very, very good. Not overly heavy. I mean, it's not designed to be a sports truck, you know, but it's definitely pretty good. When you put it into low, you do have your manual ability here. It acts more as a transmission limit, so if you don't want it going past 3rd gear, you can do that. Great acceleration from this truck. Actually pretty fun to drive. I didn't expect that. Onto our suspension testing area. Not bad at all. Visibility's great. No real blind spots. Mirrors are fantastic. You do have on the driver's side a little blind spot mirror, which is great. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.